Hi guys, I decided to bring you over to my home for lunch. Virtually ही सही. So I went live the other day and everybody was asking about what I eat. And I think somewhere my whole diet plan for the day got a little mixed up with so many questions that were pouring in. And I was also excited to answer them all. So कहीं वो शायद mix up हो गया होगा या jumble up हो गया होगा. So I thought I will actually talk to you about my whole meal plan in the day, what I eat and how I go about it. So I start my day with celery juice right now. But guys, I keep changing it every 3 months. So it was amla shot till last month. Now it's going to be celery juice for the next 2 months. And then I'll come back to my lemon water. And then I change it to coconut water, sometimes empty stomach. When it's nice and summery in May or June, empty stomach, I have only half a glass. That's how I open my eyes to that kind of a drink, followed by my tea and a fruit. So the fruit is very important, and it can be any fruit, guys. It doesn't have to be just those papayas and the healthy ones that everyone feels. As long as you're keeping the portion small, even if you're eating a mango, guys, it's totally okay. But have one slice. एक फाड़ी आम की लीजिए, आधा सेब काट के खाएंगे, not the whole thing. So that's what I have early morning. And then at about 9:30, 10, I have my breakfast. Normally 9:30, yeah. So guys, 3 days in a week, I have eggs and a toast. Some days I do 2 egg whites and a toast. Some days I just do 1 full egg with or without a toast. So that's totally okay, but it's eggs 3 days a week. And the other 3 days I do namkeen dalia, which is mixed with vegetables and it's got salt, no sugar, no milk. So that's what I do, but I keep the portion size very small, guys. So I'm sitting here with this small little katori and a bowl. This is my size, guys. Even if I have dalia, it's this size. If I have my sabzi, if I have dal, it's all just this size, guys. One helping, one portion. So that's what I do normally for my breakfast. There are days when I'm really bored. Then I go in for the locally Indian grown grains like suji ka upma, or I'll do uttapam with rice flour or poha. So stuff like that. But the portion size is the main thing that I was talking about. And then I follow it with a smoothie at around 12 o'clock, which is normally after my class. And the smoothie is made with either half curd and half water. And then I throw in a banana, half a banana, and some berries or a papaya or avocado in it. Some days it's made with almond milk, and some days just with coconut water, which also tastes yum. So you can have your own concoction and whatever is available in your kitchen. That's normally my post workout meal or snack. And you could also do coconut water or just lassi in summers, which is around 12 o'clock, or a green juice, guys. So again, keep finding your mix and try and get more different varieties so that your body gets nutrients from everything that is available. At about 1:30, normally I do dal chawal about 3 days a week. Today curry was made, so I love curry. Otherwise, I'll just do 1 chota katori sabzi with 2 small rotis mixed with whole wheat flour and amaranth flour, or whole wheat with bajra, and that's all I do. So you can see I have nothing except some pyaz here, which I was told is good for immunity and it's good for the virus that we're having around to fight it. And this is all I have, guys. I do not eat salad with my food. I do not have yogurt with my food. Achar, papad, totally a no. Okay, so it's only dal and it's only curry right now that you can see, and chawal. Again, it will only be this katori, and I'll show you that I only eat how much chawal. And I love rice, guys, so it's totally okay to eat rice. It's better than roti, honestly. But also, here we are. So this is my little, thoda kam lag raha hai. So this is what I eat, guys. And then 1 tiny little bowl of curry here. So this is what my portion is, guys. But if normally I'm not hungry because I've made my stomach used to that size. But then I have my salad at about 3 o'clock. So that's been my trick, guys. I eat little food after every 2 hours. So my stomach is never hungry. I'm never starving to go and grab anything that is available or to eat a big meal, whichever comes the next. थोड़ा थोड़ा खाएंगे तो पेट भरा रहता है. So I do not really eat too much. And of course the calorie count stays low when you eat less. Around 4:30 I have my tea with little milk, normal milk, guys, not really almond, no sugar. I do not take sugar. And then I do have a handful of nuts after that, which has a mix of figs, almonds, cashew nuts, walnuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, raisins, everything in that one little box. I have a handful of that with my tea or 10 minutes after my tea. 5:30 I have another fruit again, which is again any fruit. My current favorite is the dragon fruit, but I have pomegranate in the evening, or an apple, which is really 0 calories, and pineapple is also a calorie cutter. So anything around 5:30. Do not have a fruit after 5:30, guys, if you are targeting weight loss, because fruits do have natural sugar. So we do kind of tend to put on a little bit more calories with even natural sugar. So it's the best to avoid them, because we start slowing down our activity after 6 o'clock. We don't really walk too much, stuff like that. So the food just sits there, or the sugar just sits there. That's why they say eat early, ताकि वो food digest हो जाए and it's not sitting there before you sleep. At about 6:30 I'm starving, which I think most of us are, and that's where I get my little snack made or a prep beforehand. Normally it's makhanas, again the same size. I don't fill it up, with a little salt, and really no oil. Naam ke liye maybe just not even half a teaspoon oil. I have makhanas, and either that, or some days I'll get a sweet potato chaat made. Some days I have a sandwich if I'm really starving, and that's about it. But I'm ready with my evening meal or snack, so that I again don't eat rubbish. I also get hummus made in advance, or I get a curd dip made, which I just hang the curd and I mix some garlic and oregano in it, and I have that with vegetables, or a sandwich with that hung curd dip, or a hummus with lettuce and cherry tomatoes and stuff like that. Dinner is around 8:30 for me. I can't really do an early dinner because I'm hungry again by 9, about by 10 again. So I do a dinner at 8:30, which is normally grilled veggies and a soup, or it'll be again maybe dal chawal. But I'm okay with carbs, guys, because for my body, carbs really, if I have it or not have it, it doesn't make a difference. My weight doesn't fluctuate because of carbs. So I'll have it once a while. But other than that, I will just do a grilled chicken or grilled paneer with some stir-fried veggies, or just do a dal ka chila, or just a chicken tikka 5 or 6 pieces, or paneer tikka 5 or 6 pieces with a little healthy green salad. So that's what I do. At night, before sleeping at about 10, I have, if I'm really hungry and I'm not sleepy, then if I'm hungry, guys, I either have those nuts which are lying next to me, or I have the same curd dip with some cruded vegetables, kheera, capsicum, gajar, anything, but I keep it on the side so I don't go and eat rubbish. I do have kada at night before sleeping, since the lockdown happened, which has kachi haldi, black pepper, a little cinnamon, saunf, ajwain, and zeera. So it's all boiled, and I have half a glass before I sleep. 3 days in a week I take ashwagandha with water, and I have the powder before sleeping. In the day, somewhere 2 or 3 times, I have this much of lemon water, kosa pani, which is warm water with lemon squeezed in, no salt, no sugar. So that's it, guys. Basically, the whole idea is to keep your portion sizes small, and do anything that you eat, just keep it more healthy. I do love meetha, so at night I normally do have 2 pieces of chocolate, or 1 piece of barfi, or half a gulab jamun. But I really don't avoid sweets like crazy. If I'm having a craving, I have it 3 to 4 days a week, guys. I mean, I believe you have one life, and if you eat it right, if you balance it well, then it's pretty decent to eat and follow a regimental regime plus workout. Of course, I'm going to come back with another video for home workouts, which there are loads of them on my Instagram, but I'm going to bring up some more like you guys asked in the live, a simple quick workout. Okay, so stay healthy, stay happy, and start following a more regimental diet. Eat small portions, little food every little while. Keep it healthy so you're never hungry. Plus have lots and lots of water, guys. I have about 10 glasses of water. So have more water and sleep well, and that will really be the trick to your weight loss journey or just maintenance.